Let's dive into an intriguing way to make some easy money by standing in lines for people. Yes, you heard that right. Waiting in line can actually be a lucrative opportunity if you know how to approach it. So let's break down how you can get started and where to find these opportunities. First, let's understand the concept. Standing in line might seem like a mundane task, but for many, it's a significant inconvenience they'd rather avoid. This is where you come in. Imagine being able to help someone avoid a long wait at a popular event or concert. These events often have queues that stretch for hours, and people are willing to pay for someone to stand in line for them. Similarly, high-demand product launches like the release of the latest tech gadgets attract long queues. Many individuals don't want to spend their time waiting and might pay you to purchase these items on their behalf. And let's not forget busy restaurants. They often have long wait times for reservations, and your service can be invaluable to someone looking to avoid the hassle. Now, how do you find these opportunities? Several platforms can connect you with people in need of line waiting services. TaskRabbit is a popular choice, allowing you to offer various services, including waiting in lines. By setting up a profile on TaskRabbit, you can specify your availability for line waiting gigs and attract potential clients. Another great option is Wonolo, which provides short-term job opportunities, including line waiting. This platform is perfect for finding quick gigs in your area. If you prefer a more traditional approach, Craigslist is worth checking out. Browse the gigs section for local opportunities where individuals might be looking for someone to wait in line for them. Lastly, don't overlook Facebook Marketplace. Local buy/sell/trade groups often feature requests for various services, including line waiting. Before you jump into this line waiting venture, it's important to set your rates and terms. Your fee should reflect several factors. Consider the time commitment required. Longer waits justify higher charges. High-demand locations can also allow for premium pricing. Special events or product launches might enable you to charge even more due to their exclusivity and high demand. Be sure to clearly communicate your rates and terms to potential clients, including details about payment methods and any cancellation policies you might have. Marketing your services effectively is crucial. Start by creating a professional profile on platforms like TaskRabbit and Wonolo. Highlight your reliability and punctuality to attract clients. Networking locally can also be beneficial. Join community groups or forums where you can advertise your services and connect with potential clients. Offering exceptional service will help build a strong reputation. Being punctual and professional is key to earning repeat business and referrals, which are essential for long-term success. Once you secure a line waiting gig, preparation is key. Dress comfortably, as you'll be standing or sitting for extended periods. Bring essentials like snacks, water, and entertainment to make the wait more bearable. And remember, communication is vital. Keep your clients updated about your status, especially if there are any delays. So there you have it, an easy way to make money by standing in lines for people. With the right approach, platforms, and preparation, you can turn waiting time into a profitable opportunity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.